If you're an immigrant, a permanent resident, or a citizen, I'm speaking to you. Canada is very hard, and it's about to get hotter. I mean, look around you. Look at the cost of living. Everything is expensive. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck. They could barely afford the bare minimum. And it's about to get worse because they just passed a new bill. It's called Bill 60.
They be hustle again, never too. Yeah, make we talk. It's all about Canada. Canada mash up. Trust me. You see, a few years ago.
No people waste out them time, No people left Jamaica and waste out them time. Go high and party out and dress up and show this and show that and show off. Why some people make use of them time. So when time like this forward, them have them foundation set already. If you're a permanent resident, immigrant, or citizen, and come forward to the front line. And if you live in Canada, that video is for you. Greetings and welcome to each other, people. Wagwan, everything good? Speak up on yourself. Yeah, man, and today video we're going to talk about the new law them passed in Canada. So all the Jamaican people over there can be aware of Wagwan. Because some people now watch the news and them things, They're aware of the increased cost and how things are getting expensive, but them don't know what really are going. So in today's video we're going to update the people. Fellow Jamaican over their yard and fellow Jamaican over their abroad. So they can be aware of what going on in Canada. So life will get tougher and more rough over there. And it's about to get more harder too. So all of my fellow Jamaican over there Canada who can relate want to jump on over there, left on the thoughts and the comment. Because some of we over there Jamaica feel like foreign and better roads, And when they are them place everything you have to pay for. Don't even mention the weather. The place cold, a base snow and them things. I think about 2 months out of a year then get sunlight, And the better roast people. And it's about to get rougher. So we have this history now, we have 2 histories to play in today's video. We are talking about life in Canada. History now we talk about a new bill when them passed in Canada, we call it Bill 60. I want to listen to the information we are going to share in the video. Our next history we are talking about life. The experience in Canada now, how things and time has changed. And when I watch the people where flash up car away to go close and them things and time change, everything get expensive with people. So I want to sit here and watch what I go and listen what I go and be up to date. See me people? Yeah man, watch what I go.
If you're an immigrant, a permanent resident, or a citizen, I'm speaking to you. This country is not your country. It doesn't matter how long you've lived here. It doesn't matter if you've lived here longer than you've lived in your own country. It's still not your country. Canada is very hard, and it's about to get hotter. I mean, look around you. Look at the cost of living. Everything is expensive. Most people are living paycheck to paycheck. They could barely afford the bare minimum. And it's about to get worse because they just passed a new bill. It's called Bill 60. Where landlords now have the power to evict a tenant if they're 7 days late. I mean, just 7 days late. There's a new bill that they're working on. It's called Bill C9, where they take away your freedom of speech and your rights of religious expression. There are some things in the Bible and in the Quran. If you say it out in public, you are going to be arrested. And that's what I'm telling you. Build something in your country. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. Just build something, do something. Because it is predicted by the year 2030, there are going to be over 1 million people experiencing homelessness here in Canada. You don't want to be part of that. You don't want that to be your reality. And that is why I'm telling you, do something. Don't forget about where you came from. Because when something happens to you here, at least you know that you have something and somewhere to go back to.
Yeah, people. And the one they be hustle again, never too. Yeah, make we talk. It's all about Canada. Canada mash up. Trust me. You see, a few years ago, the kids them left school. In the summer, they could get job. Now, all of the big seed Indian man them and the greyback Indian woman then take over the picking them job. McDonald's, Burger Kings, Wendy's, Tim Hortons, the picking them can't get no job in Canada. The kids them were born right after in Canada. Trust me, this is not a good look. I'm out.
My fellow Jamaicans, if you have family in Canada or any relative at all and them send you a thing or can send you a thing, give thanks. You may tell you can sacrifice and we sacrifice and do that. Because things not easy over there. You see climate when them have to go through on them things in the weather, things not easy over there. And things are get more rough and more drastic. Then enough people never dare think positive and make the right choice, you know. And run from Jamaica and never build up nothing or set nothing or yard, you know. Then enough of them in a certain system right now want to come home back and can't come home back to them say system are run. You see? So it's not good for you run off and people in place and get complacent and not try to set nothing or yard. It's not a good thing. Because you hear all them news and now and them update and now. War go on in a place, the law them will pass or the bill them will pass and them things. Things don't forget more drastic. You see? No people waste out them time, you know. The people left Jamaica and waste out their time go higgle and party out and dress up and show this and show that and show off. Why some people make use of them time. So when time like this forward, them have them foundation set already. And a joke thing man, you can't go waste out your time man because you see it around and run off and not think positive or say boy. So anything can happen, you know, I try to set back up my yard or build up like one room or something. You just run off and gone so I not think about yard and you know what I mean? We can't talk certain thing, you know. But you don't know. People them know what go on. Enough people have to stoop low just to survive on them place there. You see me I say? No joke when they are Jamaican can live free and run up and down on them little thing there. Enough people run go to Canada and the life of them live in Canada worse than the life of them live in Jamaica. You know what I mean? But through certain opportunity there, them want hold on upon that because they don't really want to come back a yard. Enough people run off and go foreign, you know. And live worse a foreign or them they live in Jamaica, you know. You see? And when they run gone over there and say, oh, life tough and rough, they want to come back home. But they can't come back home because they're not straight. You see me I say? So it's not good for you to run off and get complacent and say, boy, yeah, you make it and this and that. And not set a foundation in your yard. Because when things like this start happening and things start get more expensive and them things then the money now make. How not gonna manage? The people, the viewers and subscribers, when you hear what I go on. My fellow Jamaicans over there Jamaica, when you don't get too excited if you go foreign and them things and have certain things set. Because on the better roads, everything come with a cost. You can look good through the phone and on TV, but when over there in a reality, it's expensive. Every move you make you have to pay. And like Jamaica, we go see certain things and can get a brother and them go thing there. You know, work over there so like that. You see me I say? Yeah man, you have to love where you come from and don't try to sell out your place. You get the opportunity to go anywhere at all, just go there, go better yourself and get straight and set certain thing in your yard. Don't run left your yard. Zine? So all of my people over there and who can relate. Drop a like on the video and left on the thoughts and the comment and share it out so others can be aware of what's going on. Zane, and that may have say my people. Big up on yourself, give thanks for watching. Banging.